Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video I have got my Traxxas Slash 4x4 with me and I'm at my local RC track right here. I'm going to go test this thing on the track and see how well it performs. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. Not sure if I ever showed this to you guys, but I don't know if you guys can see in there, but I've got this wheel claw. They're from GPM and basically they wrap around the spokes. Like the hex does, so that it distributes that that torque to the entire outside of the wheel, not just a wheel hex on the inside. So that's nice, and so far that's kept my wheel hexes from stripping. But let's go, guys. Maybe we should just send it with the Traxxas Slash, guys. Why not? How about we go ahead? I'm going to get over here. I'm going to jump this lip right here. Here we go. Did pretty good. Woo! Here we go. We're upright. Ooh. Just ripping through the grass, guys. Also, by the way, guys, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Oh, the body came off, and that's not good because that has the Proline clips on it. Or the clipless, that's the clipless body mount. Please tell me I didn't lose them. Nope, well, I didn't lose them, but here's what happened, guys. It cracked so badly through the body that it pulled right through. The nuts are still on the post, so I guess that's good. Ah, bummer. Alright, guys, let's keep on going. Launch. Sweet. Bring it back. Ooh, kicker. I want to come with a lot of speed this time. We'll take her down by the tree, and I'm going to hit this, this lip again right here. Here we go. Pinned. Woo, she landed it. Nice. Very nice. Alright, guys, we're going to try that again. All the way back there. Give it some throttle. Ooh. I landed that, but I hit this one right here, and then it bucked me, and then I ran into that one. It's still working. Off the track. Oh, and she hit low voltage mode, guys. Well, if you did enjoy the video, go ahead, give it a big thumbs up. I look forward to seeing you guys in another video. Later.